Hi, welcome, my name's Crow, welcome to Driftwood Hollow Drums, and to this little sound demo video that I'm making today for you is to accompany the Etsy listing for this beautiful shamanic drum just here. Now this is a buffalo skin drum, and as you can see, the beautiful tie-dye design on there. If I spin it over, you can see the back. So I've got this stupid this effect on the video for blurring the background. It means that you can't actually see the drum very well, but never mind. The photographs are all on the list, and I'll pop the listing details below the video. But yeah, basically we've got an ashwood branch handle. It's got a Celtic dragon burnt into there. Okay, it's on a willow frame. On the inside of the frame I put the date of birth, 3rd of May 2022 in Knighton, Powys, UK. That's to enable you to pop on and make a chart, a birth chart, find out what energies were around on the day when the drum was birthed astrologically, and if you choose to, then you'll find the character and the ongoing effects that the planets are going to have on your drum and its energy. Just like a drum has a birthday, just like we do. I'm an Aries, so that enables me to be able to follow the effects that the celestial bodies are having on my life, just like the drum will have it with his life. I get asked a lot of questions about this because I put the date of birth in the frames of all the drums that I create, and people say, well, why do you put the date of birth in? What relevance is that? How is that going to help? And that's what it is. It's going to allow you to follow the effects of the astrological bodies on the energy of your drum. Let me stop wittering now and start playing. I'm going to play with two beaters, a firm beater and a softer beater. This one's a firm beater. Both beaters are available to buy as an option at checkout if you decide that this is the right drum for you. So let's have a little play, see what you think. Beautiful resonance, softer beater. Nice and gentle and soft. Okay, hope this has helped when you're coming to make your decision on which is the right shamanic drum for you. If this drum is calling to you, it's going to be on Etsy within the next 48 hours, let's say. My process is make the videos, take the photographs, go on my computer, upload it all, and then it all goes live a day or so later. So yeah, thanks for watching. I'm Crow. Bye for now.